Hello everyone, I'm Karshika Narula from grade 10D and here I have a notepad design. So you all know how notepad works, right? There's a file, edit, format, view, help, etc. So here I am going to show you how to make a notepad code. Just the design this time. So here are few points you need to keep in mind while making a notepad. Functions. Functions are just def bracket, means they define what our user will be doing. Next is tear off. Tear off helps us to go into the next line. So when we click on file over here, we have new in one line and new window in the other line. So this is how it works. New in one line and new window in other line. Next we have bind all. So you always know there are shortcuts for when we click on new, the shortcut is control plus N. So whenever we click on new, it should open a new notepad. So that is what shortcut is. So it is done by bind all function. Next is accelerator. Accelerator is actually the name of the shortcut. Means there will be a different function for the shortcut and a different name for the shortcut. So the name is the accelerator and the function is the bind all. Next we have separator. So in this separate line means that there will be a line drawn over here. Like when you click on file, you see between save as and page setup, we see a line drawn. This will be the separator. Next we have page setup. Page setup is actually just the second part of the separator. So there's the first part, the separator, and a page setup, which is the second part. Next is cascade. So cascade means when you click on edit over here, not edit, let's go with view over here. So inside view there is zoom and status bar. And then when you go to zoom, inside zoom is zoom in, zoom out and restore default zoom. So this is how it works. Next we have command. So the command is actually just the name of the function, like we import the function. Now the regular thing, we always need to import tkinter and config. Let us go to our code. I will first show you how this works. We have this notepad over here, file, new window, etc, etc. Then we have our edit, etc. Format, view, inside zoom, we have all this. Then we have help. So now can you see this page? File, edit, format, view, help. Now we will open our notepad back again. I'll just remove all of this and you can see file, edit, format, view, help, etc. So this is related. So if you see in the background and outside over here, there is file, edit, excuse me, format, view, and help. So this is what we're going to make today. Let's start. We have over here from tkinter import star. So this is the regular process, and in the end we should main loop root.config will be I'll be teaching you, and root.main loop. So here we have the first defins. So def means like the functions. So from line number 6 to line number 106 we have defs functions. So there's delete functions, about notepad, send feedback, while help. So when we open this notepad, we see that the file has a function, all these, edit has all these functions, format has these two, view has these two, and inside zoom the cascade is there of zoom in, zoom out, and restore default zoom. Inside help we have these three. So this is what these functions are doing. Next we go on to line number 109, wherein menu bar equals to menu bracket root. If you see what root is, I have explained in most of my videos, I will explain it again. Root is the name of the screen. Like if you go up here, root equals to tk. So root equals to tk bracket means that root is the main screen in which all of this will be shown. So here we have root dot menu bracket root. Next we have file equals to menu bracket menu bar, comma tier of equals to 0. So what does tier of equal to 0 over here mean? It means that when we go onto our notepad, I'll just open it once. Here we see this file, we have this new, and then in the next line comes new window. So this is what tier of means. Next we have our menu bar dot add cascade. So Cascade helps in creating like inside file. So the menu bar is this slant line you see over here. This is the menu bar, and we have all this. So help, view, format, edit, file, etc. So file dot add underscore command label bracket new comma command equal to new. So all this is just all of the things which we are explaining. Next we have root dot bind all bracket control dash n. So bind all means the shortcuts like I told you. So similarly we are doing all of this, and then in the end comes root dot geometry dot root dot config bracket menu equals to menu bar and root dot main loop and bracket. So just so you know, I will be explaining all of this in my other video, which I will be posting right after this one. So stay tuned to get into more detail about the notepad functions. Thank you. Have a nice day.